Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to lock our home screen layout in Samsung Galaxy S22. Right now we can move icons if we want to, wherever we want to. But there is an option to prevent this function, so we accidentally don't move it. So settings, then we are looking for home screen, and here it is, lock home screen layout. What does it do? Prevent items on the home screen from being removed or repositioned. So tap it once and now our icons should be immovable. Let's see. Tap move. We cannot. It's now locked. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.